It's been said that quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize industries and redefine the way we solve complex problems. But what exactly is quantum computing? How close are we to seeing it in action? And what does it mean for your business? Let's find out. Quantum computing is a new type of computation that leverages the principles of quantum mechanics. Unlike classical computers, which use bits as their smallest unit of data, quantum computers use quantum bits, or qubits. These qubits can exist in multiple states at once, thanks to a property called superposition. They can also be entangled, meaning the state of one qubit can be dependent on the state of another, no matter the distance between them. This is known as quantum entanglement. These quantum properties allow quantum computers to process vast amounts of data and solve complex problems much faster than classical computers. However, building a practical quantum computer is a monumental task, due to the delicate nature of qubits and the need for extremely low temperatures to maintain their quantum state. So, what are the benefits of quantum computing? First and foremost, speed. Quantum computers can process complex calculations exponentially faster than classical computers. This could drastically reduce the time it takes to solve problems in fields like cryptography, optimization, and simulation. Secondly, quantum computing could lead to breakthroughs in scientific research. By simulating molecules and reactions, we could discover new drugs or materials. Lastly, quantum computing could revolutionize data security. Quantum encryption methods could provide unprecedented levels of security, making data virtually unhackable. Now, let's talk business. How can quantum computing be applied in the corporate world? In finance, quantum algorithms could optimize trading strategies, manage risk, and price assets more accurately. In logistics, they could optimize routes and schedules, saving time and resources. In pharmaceuticals, quantum computing could speed up drug discovery by simulating molecular interactions. In energy, it could optimize grid management and facilitate the design of new materials for energy storage. And in cybersecurity, quantum encryption could provide a new level of data security. It's important to note that these applications are still in their early stages. Quantum computers are not yet ready for widespread commercial use, but businesses should start preparing for their arrival. Looking to the future, quantum computing could open up a world of possibilities. It could revolutionize artificial intelligence by speeding up machine learning algorithms. It could help us understand the complexities of our climate, leading to more accurate climate models. And it could even help us unravel the mysteries of the universe by simulating quantum phenomena. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we move closer to a quantum future, it's crucial for businesses to understand the implications of this technology. This includes the potential for disruption in various industries, the need for quantum-safe encryption methods, and the importance of investing in quantum skills and research. While we may not know exactly when commercially viable quantum technology will be achieved and not all industries will be impacted at the same time or with the same intensity, one thing is clear: quantum computing is not just a trend, it's the future. And as leaders in your fields, it's crucial to stay informed and prepared.